Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, I'm going to share with you a small haul, JoAnn's and Dollar Tree, and a project share. I'm going to get the Dollar Tree stuff out of the way. You see these 3 glitter bottles of glitter right here. I got these to see if the glitter would work with the resin for the keychains, and I'll discuss that. Oops, I'm sorry. I'll discuss that in a minute. But I got these 3. Got the purple, a blue, and a green. I picked up this little face, lady face, whatever you want, whatever it is. I picked this up because I have the face from Target, and I got the gold lady that was from Target, and now I have this one. I picked up these note sheets to go with my happy planner, which I'm not even doing happy planner. It's the memory one, and I haven't touched that thing probably since January, February, and I just don't have any, I don't even know what the word is. I just don't feel like doing any memory planning, and this is the time that I need to be doing it because of the history that's going on in this country right now with this pandemic, you know, something so that my grandchildren can know about. I bought about 5 packs of these face masks from Dollar Tree. They're 2 in a pack, and I keep those in my purse and in my car just in case I leave a mask or something, so I always have them. And I also picked up this calendar, this 2021 calendar. I'm just gonna put this on my refrigerator. And I bought this, and I bought these because I'm working with this particular resin right here, and this resin, you mix it by, I guess it's quantity, so equal parts of the hardener and the resin. I guess that's how you say it. So I want to work with a smaller quantity, so I can work with them at 2 tablespoons at a time or whatever. So that's why I got these, so I can work with smaller parts, so I don't waste a lot of resin, you know, just monkeying around, I guess you could say it like that. Okay, and from JoAnn's, I bought these 2 things because I'm making my brother his keychain. I bought these gears for that, and I bought these because I was actually going to purchase some gummy bear cabochons from AliExpress. Scrapdy was showed this in her video, so I went right out to JoAnn's and I picked this up. I probably should have picked up 2, and there was another one that she showed, but they were out of that one, and I'm gonna try to find that one as well. But I got this one, and this is what I've been playing with. So let me show you what I've been doing. Let me put this out here so you can see these. I've been making these little, let me move these letters out the way, little keychain letters. I've been making these little cabochons, and these are just some little teddy bears, and I thought they were so super cute. I don't have the official, what is it, colorant that they use. I've been using my alcohol inks and just some other inks that I have, ink sprays, like this one right here. This is a yellow, and this is what I used to color these bears right here. Now I'm gonna tell you, these bears have, this is the first one I did, they have about 1 million or 2 micro bubbles in them. Can you see those? But I like them. I like this color yellow. It was just like 1 spray, and I think I used 2 tablespoons for this, and I just thought it was the cutest thing. I'm like, okay, so next time I won't be so vigorous with my stirring, because I was stirring up. I was like, this resin stuff is not going to defeat me. So I stirred and stirred and stirred, and as you can see, where you may or may not be able to see the bubbles that are in there. I don't know if this if my camera's gonna pick it up or even focus so that you can see it. Can you? Does that help any? It looks blurry to me. But it has bubbles upon bubbles upon bubbles in there, micro bubbles. And I think this was the second one. I was just playing with some extra, and this actually has pink glitter in it. Don't even ask me how the pink glitter got in these, but yeah, they have this one has pink glitter. And as you can see, let me put these side by side. You know, the yellow one looks cloudy, and that's because of all the bubbles. And the green one with the pink glitter doesn't look as cloudy. It looks more clear. It has less bubbles. And that's because I actually took time stirring this one. So I am going to try it again. Oh, and by the way, I'm trying to do this nail polish thing, and me and my moose knuckles, it just don't work. Yeah, okay, now here are some more. Where are you? Here you go. That these have less bubbles, but they still have the micro bubbles. But I used this ink right here, and I was trying to get purple, but I wanted it to be clear like this, like a clear color. And this is what I have. This was the first time I did them. It's a little bit darker, and the second is a little bit lighter. And so I'm still trying to get purple, right? So this is what eventually happened. This right here. And this was a true experiment. I started with this eggplant from Adirondack alcohol ink. This does not work at all. Period. In a discussion. Don't even try it. So I ended up putting too much of this in, and this is what happened. There's nothing wrong with them, but it just wasn't the purple that I was looking for. And if you can tell, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but their ears are, it depends on how you hold it to the light. I think you can see it right there now. They are purple. It's just a really, really deep purple. And this poor baby right here, let me put these down. He was my experiment baby. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not. See right, like right here and right here. I had some leftover blue, and then it was just a little bit, and then I had a little bit of this left, so I put it on top. So that's what happened to him. And this one right here, these two little blue babies right here still have micro bubbles. It's from this ink right here. And these right here, these were the first ones. And I used a Stampin' Up ink on these. And if you guys look at, well, I ain't gonna say you guys, if y'all look at it, when I look at it, this reminds me of a product from my childhood called Methalate. Is anybody old enough on my channel that watches my videos can remember Methalate? And it was, where's the ink? It was this ink right here that I used. It was just one drop, and this is what I got. And it's really cute. I have no problems with it. But the shift on these just reminds me of that product, Methalate. So there we go. So that is what I have been working on. Where's my little jar? And I'm gonna put them in here for right now until I get my little tray together. I'm gonna get my tray situation together so I can have all of my cabochons in a nice little goodie tray right there. Okay, let me see. I think that's it, guys, for this evening anyway. Oh, and by the way, this is what I use to put my small amounts of resin. I just use these little shortcuts. I got these at Dollar Tree along with the popsicle sticks. Okay, Alright guys, that is it. I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye, love bugs.